want help?
You're he's so grunting. You are all naughty pig. I'm gonna have marks all over my face. And I came in here to say good night and cuddle with you. What a dumbass. Cuddling is not on the menu. Really? We're not done with the hair yet. Gosh. And I wasn't even making crazy noises. Okay. Oh, you guys made me cry. I'm laughing so hard.